Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the third video for the session. I left you all with two questions. One is, what is your understanding of risk? And the second one was, is there anything in life such as no risk or zero risk? So I have defined, keeping in mind today's scenario, risk is an uncertain consequence of an event or an activity which with respect to something that human values. In a layman's language, any obstruction that is a problem for a smooth flow of day to day life can be termed as risk. When I left you all with this question, I'm sure you all would have had different definitions in your mind. Even in the standards like ERM, ISO 31000, the risk definitions are different for each standards. Basically, it is just on the situation or in the risk perception that it is prepared or it is understood. The next question that I asked was, does zero risk exist, or is there anything in our life as no risk or zero risk? No, there is no such thing as no risk or risk, as change is the only constant. So risk can only be mitigated or minimized. There cannot be a situation where there is no risk. Coming to this explains how risk is perceived, isn't it? If we make risk handling risk culture as part of our day-to-day life, it is not that difficult. The word risk will be a positive factor in handling situations like such that we are in. Before I go to the next step, as we now start developing the risk culture within us as trainers, training company, or entrepreneur, let us all first have a vision written. Okay. You could do this exercise after I finish this particular session. First, you write a vision. So, let me say for a training company, the vision could be that ABC training company's vision is to be in the top 5 list of training companies in the country. A trainer's vision could be he wants to train 20,000 people by 2021. An entrepreneur's vision will be he want to earn 2 crores by the end of 2022 to achieve his return on investment. So these are just examples.